About 5 years ago, there's a family barn that was going to get demolished, and I just looked at it as a piece of history and wanted to see it reused. So I approached the owner, and he gave me the opportunity to take it down piece by piece, and one thing led to another, and here we are. Originally, it was just about seeing something done with the wood, and now it's a lot more about building quality furniture and passing that story on to our customers.
I would say 95% of everything we do is all custom order for people. And that's kind of the fun of working here, is all our projects are going to be different every time. We're not stuck making the same stuff over and over again. We're always doing something new, and we get to do whatever the customer kind of suggests. So it really changes quite a bit. We'll finish something and we'll tell ourselves, man, this is the best we've ever done. Like, this is a great table. And then, a week later, we might make a new table with a different color stain, and that'll become our new favorite.
Lars and I are both from Springfield, as are most of our team members. A lot of our customers here locally want to have something built by local makers, and the sense of community and the pride in what we're doing here really makes Springfield a great place to run a business. Our team is comprised of a lot of veterans. We take a lot of pride in hiring veterans, and so after we got out of the military, we kind of looked at different ways to stay involved and give back. We started making these barnwood American flags, and it's been really cool to see how the popularity of those flags has been able to help us to donate money to different organizations all over the country. And so to be featured as an Illinois maker with all of the other organizations that are doing great things, it's a huge honor for us.